Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we've got a real treat for all you audio enthusiasts out there. We'll be diving deep into the Pyle 500W Karaoke wireless Bluetooth amplifier. This amplifier is packed with features and promises to elevate your home audio experience. But before we get into the nitty-gritty details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're as excited as we are. Alright, let's jump right in. The Pyle 500W Karaoke wireless Bluetooth amplifier is a versatile powerhouse. It's a 4-channel stereo audio amplifier that's perfect for both home theater setups and PA systems. With a peak power of 500W, it can handle multiple speakers with 4 to 8 ohms impedance, ensuring high-quality audio. One of its standout features is its Bluetooth compatibility. You can wirelessly stream music from your smartphones, tablets, laptops, and computers. The pairing process is hassle-free, making it a breeze to connect your devices. This amplifier offers a plethora of input options. You can connect your iPod or MP3 player through the USB or micro SD ports. It even has an AUX input for more traditional devices. And if you're a radio enthusiast, there's a built-in FM radio with a digital LCD display for easy tuning. If you're into karaoke or hosting events, you'll appreciate the 2 1/4 microphone inputs with echo. Plus, there's a talk-over button that temporarily halts the music for announcements or voiceovers. It's a handy feature for various applications. Customizing your sound is a breeze with the EQ controls. You have crisp buttons for audio sources and selectors, a rotary knob for equalization, and separate volume adjustments for microphones and the master output. And guess what? It even comes with a remote control for convenient adjustments from a distance. Now, one thing to note is that this product is designed for use in the US. So, if you're outside the US, you might need an adapter or converter to match the outlets and voltage in your country. Always double-check compatibility before purchasing. The Pyle 500W Karaoke wireless Bluetooth amplifier is available at a great price, and you can find it on Amazon.com. But keep in mind that prices and availability may vary, so be sure to check out the latest deals from different sellers. Also, it's worth mentioning that there's a newer model of this amplifier available, the Pyle 1000W 4-channel audio receiver amplifier. It offers even more power and features, so if you're looking for an upgrade, you might want to check that out as well. And for those of you looking to complete your audio setup, there are some related products like speaker wire cables and mini box speakers that you can bundle with the amplifier to enhance your sound system. Alright, before we wrap things up, let me share my personal experience with the Pyle 500W Karaoke wireless Bluetooth amplifier. That's a wrap on our in-depth review of the Pyle 500W Karaoke wireless Bluetooth amplifier. Overall, it's a versatile and feature-packed amplifier that can elevate your audio experience. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this product, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. And as always, stay tuned for more reviews of the latest and greatest tech right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.